Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelance platform where you can offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. Here are 5 ways you can earn money on Upwork. One, freelance services. Offer your expertise in a specific field such as web development, graphic design, writing, digital marketing, or any other skill you possess. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on relevant job listings. Once you secure projects, complete them successfully to earn money. 2, specialized niche. Focus on a specialized niche or skill set within your field. Clients often look for experts in specific areas, and if you can establish yourself as an authority in a particular niche, you can command higher rates for your services. 3, long-term contracts. Look for clients who offer long-term contracts or ongoing work. Building strong relationships with clients can lead to a steady stream of income, reducing the need to constantly bid on new projects. 4, hourly fees. Fixed price projects. Upwork offers 2 types of contracts: hourly and fixed price. You can choose the one that suits your work style. For hourly contracts, you track your time using Upwork's time tracking tool, and you're paid for the hours worked. For fixed price contracts, you agree on a set price for the entire project. 5, Upwork Pro and Premium programs. Once you've established a track record on Upwork and have received positive feedback, you may qualify for the Upwork Pro or Premium programs. These programs connect you with higher-paying clients and provide additional visibility, increasing your chances of landing well-paying projects. Remember that success on Upwork often requires a combination of skill, a professional profile, effective communication, and consistent effort in bidding on relevant projects. Building a positive reputation through client reviews and delivering high-quality work is key to long-term success on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.